Up next, we need a CPU cooler, and we've gone with the Thermalright Phantom Spirit EVO. The Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 EVO is a standout air cooler, offering exceptional performance for its price. It features a robust heatsink with 7 6mm copper heat pipes, efficiently dissipating heat from the CPU. The cooler is equipped with 2 TLK-12 fans, each providing up to 69 CFM airflow and operating at a maximum noise level of 27 decibels, ensuring powerful yet quiet cooling. Its asymmetrical design enhances compatibility by providing more clearance for GPUs and motherboard heatsinks. The cooler supports a wide range of sockets, including Intel LGA 1700 and AMD AM5, making it perfect for our build. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included mounting hardware and clear instructions. With a height of 157mm, it fits perfectly into our case and build. The build quality is excellent, featuring a nickel-plated copper base and durable components.